been a while since I did a video. She's hungry. The meat birds are doing good. That's 2 days worth of eggs. Let me get the pig feed loaded up. I'll take you out and let you see the pregnant piggy. No milk yet. I'm gonna water her, then we'll go down and see Elsa. She's being very loud down there. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi? Alright, just a quick rundown. Been clearing out more of my flat ground here. All this has been reclaimed. Got those trees dropped. Done a little bit here. I've also been working out here a little bit. Eventually all of this down to that tree will get cleared out. All of these and all of these. And then the other night with all the rain, I went ahead and closed the water tanks. This one's a little over 300 gallons full. Not quite high enough. And then that top one's full. So almost 2 of the 4 is full. The trees are budding, all the flowers. Warm weather will be here before you know it. And I would imagine that here before too long, we'll have the piglets. She is fat as hell. So I've got her in the garden, and she has pretty much got this all tilled up. It'll be pretty easy to get in here with the tiller now. That won't be much longer either. Getting some stuff planted. Blueberry bushes are starting to bud. But that's it for now. I'll keep you updated with the piglets.